So I've had big problems with my camera, so I'm back to the old Sony. Yeah, we're down the plot, and I'm going to show you what I've been up to. Obviously, only going to show you the good bits. But anyway, let me show you. So this is it. This is I'm hoping the wind's not going to pick up too much, ruin the sound. But anyway, this is what I've been doing. It's all dug and mulched and so on. I'm not going to get. I had a discussion with another YouTuber about no dig and everything the other day, which was very interesting. Thoroughly enjoyed it. I do no dig at, reasonably well. I do well, virtually no digging at all back at home in the back garden, but down here it's all dug because we have a load of bindweed. And it's really hard to make it go away. Each year you sort of get rid of half of it, then another half, and each time it's halved, but it never seems to get to zero. But anyway, yeah, so we've got some onions and leeks along the edge here, and some in the grass mulch with beetroot. We've got some potatoes and Catawissa onions, various bits and bobs. We've got some garlic along there, and Welsh onions, which they're not bolting. It's their season to set seed now, and I'm going to take seed. They're perennials; they keep going year after year. I'm going to take seed from those, cut back the heads, and then get another crop off them, probably late summer, autumn. So yeah, it's all coming together. Underneath this net is 3 or 4 cabbages, which have been overwintering, spring greens, and look at that grass. I have no idea what the cabbages look like, so I'm going to do a bit of weeding. It's like a Christmas unwrapping my present. See what I've got. It should have been protected well from birds and so on. So anyway, let's have a look. It needs weeding. Oh dear, there's been some damage. It looks like it's a bit pointy, and looks like a greyhound to me. Oh, we've got cauliflower. Didn't expect that. It's not a very good one, but slugs and snails have been in here. Oh, there we go. It's slightly slug eaten, and I think I saw the culprit. Yeah, there he is. There's a couple of them in there. They're buggers. That's it. That's a nice spring green. I think it's greyhound. If you look, looking at that pointiness. That's it. Oh no! My God! I'm completely wrong. I cannot believe this. I genuinely thought, right, he was the worst. I'm probably the worst gardener on this plot. Look at that. Doesn't look like a cabbage shoot, doesn't look like a greyhound. So I can't even identify a cauliflower from a cabbage. Another. But yeah, no, that was. Well, the thing is, I actually prefer cauliflowers from. Let's get these off. From cabbages. So it really is like Christmas. Yeah. I'll get off. It's it's not too bad. It's just a nice little surprise. Anyway, the battery's going flat. So that's it then. There's a nice little surprise. Me and my surprise cauliflower. Not very big, but I don't think I've ever grown a proper cauliflower before. So I genuinely thought I'd sown cabbage seeds. So there you go. You do get, it's often, you get a few surprises with brassicas. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Ta-da for now.